Okay, this is our amazing filter. Let's see how thick this freaking thing is. Wow! Yucks! See how much dirt our water here has. So amazing. Let me show you the spoon. This is a spoon. Okay, this is the amount of, I don't know what you call this, dirt I get out of this tube or filter, and it's just only one of the tube. Look, we have so many here. Okay, and I really wonder what I've been drinking.